Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much to iMethod Beauty for sending me this 6 set of gel polishes. I have worked with them in the past, so this is my second set from them, and I absolutely loved it. One of them did spill, as you guys could see on this instruction manual / pamphlet, but it happens. I do get a lot of PR that usually 1 or 2 is spilled. Here we have their contact information and social medias. Now here are the gel polishes, and I'm just showing you them briefly. The colors, this is a holiday set, so the majority of the colors are red, and I'm just here showing you very briefly the colors. I don't really like to take so much time on the unpackaging and showing you everything it includes, just because I know a lot of people want to get straight into the tutorial. So now I'm going to be applying some base coat to all the nails and then curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. These nails are from AliExpress. They are the XL long square nails, and I absolutely love them. It was my first time using them. They were only like $4.94, so that was definitely a great steal. And by the way, I will have a coupon code linked down below in the description for you guys, along with on the screen, if you're interested in saving 55% off your purchase with Nail Addict LA. I definitely recommend them. They have such great high quality gel polishes. So here in the screen, I will place the number of a gel polish that I used, which was 119, and I'm just going to be applying 2 coats in total and then curing them for 60 seconds in between. I only showed doing 1 coat because I just don't want to make the video so boring showing you guys, placing 1 layer and then the other. I just rather show you guys a 1 coat. So as you guys can see, even with just 1 coat, it's very, very pigmented, and this color is absolutely beautiful. I love nudes, and I'm really into like simplistic looks lately, so I definitely get happy when these kits that I get include some sort of nude or some sort of like pastel, which are my favorites. So yeah, here, that is what I am doing. So next, I'm just going to be applying some designer stickers. In this particular set, I decided to go with some gold Chanel. So I decided to place this lettering strip down the middle. I thought it would look really pretty. And then I decided also to incorporate some little Chanel logos on 2 of the other nails. So here you're just going to see me doing the placements and cutting them off. And then we're going to move straight into the next step. So now I'm going to be applying the top coat, and I am using the No Wipe top coat by Nail Addict LA. I absolutely love their base coat, their top coat, their polishes. They are just outstanding. So now I'm just going to be placing this top coat all over the nails and then curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought about this nail tutorial. I absolutely loved it. I thought it was very beautiful and simple. So these are what the nails look like after I've applied them on. They look so pretty. And now I'm using one of my cuticle oils that is available on my Etsy shop. This one is chocolate scented and it smells so good. So I'm just going to be applying this to all the nails, and then that is it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.